Ano, kaya mo ba?
Oo. Ayan o. Sino yan guys?
4 AM. Ano balita bro?
With the one and only.
Musta?
Kamusta? How are you?
Okay naman. Ito,
Nakatulog ako.
morning person pa rin.
Sana all.
Ng ilang taon na tayo.
Quick background lang sa amin ni Patrick Melencio or Coach Pat. We've been teammates since high school. We represented Dasmariñas, Cavite. We were the first players to represent the city of Dasmariñas. The one thing we have in common back then is galing siya ng States, ako naman galing ng Australia. So nagkaroon kami ng good vibe off of it. And ever since we clicked, tapos noon, back in high school, he was playing for SFA. It's a Green Hills LaSalle supervised school. And I was playing for PCU naman, PCU Dolphins. And then, yeah, we just clicked ever since. It's been a good vibe always. And in college, naging mag-teammates pa rin kami with LaSalle Dasmariñas naman. It's a blessing na meron kang ganitong friends na matatanungan mo whenever you have questions, especially with coaching side. Sa kanila ko nakukuha. So, new ideas or new imaginations that I want to execute, I always ask him. So, keep watching, guys.
Kanina pa tayo doon, bro. Kinakabahan ka ba? May kabababawang dumadaloy sa dugo mo? Coach Pat?
Hindi importante yung ginagawa.
Okay. So meron.
Siyempre pag importante yung ginagawa, sama yun.
Okay.
Pressure is a privilege.
Yan. Kakapost ko lang noon isang araw. So, walking lang kami. Tumambay muna kami sa Starbucks. 4 AM, nagkita na kami. Para makaiwas sa traffic. So, tambay muna, kain, breakfast. And dito na kami. Si Coach. Coach, quick interview, Coach. There we have it, guys. From 4 AM up until 5:30, magsi-6 na. That's a day in the life with the NCAA coach from Lyceum, Coach Patrick Melencio. Coach Patrick and I, it's been a long journey na, so medyo talagang close kami. So yun, kaya nagjo-joke kami and all. Pero Coach Pat, any message future generations na baka ma-handle mo na one time pumunta rin ng Lyceum, di ba? Ano bang secret ang mai-share mo sa ating viewers? Wow, vlogger na vlogger.
Well, yun pa rin naman eh. There's no ano naman dun special when it comes to never stop learning. Always be student of the game, especially basketball. It's an evolving sport.
Yes.
If you want to be able to play in the next level, you're supposed to learn how to play it in the next level na rin eh. So hindi na yun yung alam natin na basketball 10 years, 15 years ago, even ng mga naglalaro tayo, Brad eh. So
It's evolving.
it's evolving talaga eh. So yung mga bata ngayon, if they really want to learn, if they want to go to the next level talaga, a big factor of it is really understanding the game, study the game. Marami namang ways para matuto mga reads, especially coaches in the next level. Talagang yan ang hinahanap eh.
Yes.
Sino ang mga capable to play in the next level na alam na yung reads ng game, yung situations ng game. So it's just really more than the dribbling and scoring.
Scoring, yeah. The decision making.
Ang daming part pa na mas tinitignan na ng coaches in the next level. So yun, sa mga bata, you have to understand na yun, may mga coaches locally, may mga coaches sa mga cities nyo na willing gawin yun eh. So ang kailangan lang maging open kayo to be a student of the game.
Student of the game. Never stop learning. And siguro for me, ang masishare ko dyan, katulad ng sinasabi ni Coach Pat na never stop learning. Well, Google is your friend. What you need to do is you have to dig deep. Kasi nandun na yung hidden gems eh. So it's for you to look for and understand it. So not only sa players pero sa coaches. So yun. That's it. Thank you, Coach Pat, for letting me come sa game nyo today, and congratulations on the win.
Thank you.
And till next time.